I did run across something this week that goes back to Julie's question at the beginning of last week, which is how do you know you're finished? And we were talking, and I had come, and this one is tied to how do you know when you're ready to submit? So I'm going to put the URL in the chat, and let you all bring it up so that you can see it. It's from Authors Publish. I like them a lot. They have a
okay. I haven't heard of this one.
They're a really good, concise, topical author advice. How to know when your work is ready to submit. It's similar to mine in its mindset. It's recognizing when your story is finished, when you have the premise is finished, the people are as fully developed as you feel that they are. Is they there? The plot is finished. You actually processed your work, and I think that my self-edit workshop is a good way to think through that. And then they have a checklist at the bottom. If as you go through the checklist for preparing your work to submit, the thing is, I think even a person who intends to self-publish should go through the same sort of checklist. You might not be querying another publisher for this work, but if you can't address each aspect of that checklist, then you're not ready to submit it to yourself.
Right.
So to speak. Yes. Because you have to start thinking about, how do I market my story? And the first rule of marketing is being able to explain it concisely to somebody else. And if you can't do that yet, you don't have a product you can sell. And that's whether you're selling it to a publisher, for a traditional publisher, or whether you're planning to set it up and sell it as a self-publisher. You still need to answer that question. You still need to be able to explain it concisely and relatively quickly. So I think this is a really good,
I'm gonna save this.
Yeah.
Yes.